Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 9.1. Question number 2 says, classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials, trinomials. Which polynomials do not fit in any of these three categories? They have given us different polynomials, different expressions. We have to classify them into monomial, binomial, trinomial, and whichever they are not fixing in binomial, trinomial and monomial, we have to place them apart. So let us take each expression one by one and see whether they fit in monomial, binomial or trinomial. If they are not fitting there, you can place it in other polynomials. Now you must be knowing what is monomial, what is binomial and what is trinomial. If not, please go through the introductory lecture so that you can understand properly. If I see first expression, it is having two terms, and the expression which is having two terms are called binomial. So I will write here x plus y. Now moving to next expression, this is only one term, so I will write in monomial. Then coming to the next expression, you can count 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We don't have 4 terms, so we will place it in other polynomials, because polynomial having one or more than one term will be polynomial also. So we will place here x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4. Moving to third expression, here you can see 1, 2 and 3 terms. So we will place it in trinomial, 7 plus y plus 5x. Then moving to next expression, 2y minus 3y square. So it is of two terms, so it will be in binomial, 2y minus 3y square. Moving to next, here it is having 1, 2 and 3 terms, so I will place it in trinomial, 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. Moving to next term, it is having also 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3, so we will place it here only, 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. Moving to next, this is having 2 terms, so it will be placed in binomial, 4z minus 15z square, 4z, okay, yes, 4z square, 4z and minus 15z square. Moving to next, we can see here 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms, so it will be our other polynomials, ab plus bc plus cd plus da. Moving to next expression, here it is one term, so we will place it here, pqr. Here it is two terms, so p square q minus pq square, it will be placed in binomial. Again this is two terms, so it will be binomial. So very easy, right? This is all we have to do in this question. Hope you have understood. If not, please go through the definition so that you can understand properly. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.